video. This video we're going to focus on what are T numbers. What is that? You are probably thinking to yourself, I have no idea what that is, but I promise you that you do. So T numbers. A T number is any number that has something that's called 110 and some ones. So we're going to talk about some numbers that have a 10 and it has some ones. T numbers have 2 digits. Say that. 2 digits. And you might be thinking, what are digits? Well, digits are either 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are digits. And no matter how I put these digits together, it would make a number. So for example, maybe I want to put in a 4 and I want to put in 8, then this number would be the number 48. Or maybe I do 2 and I do 5 and this number would be 25. Those are 2 digits. But when we talk about T numbers still have 2 digits. But remember, it has to have 110 and some ones. And when we talk about digits, we talk about something that's called a place value. And your place value has tens and ones. 2 digits means 2 place values. We have a group of tens and we have a group of ones. Now, when we talk about T numbers and we talk about tens, we're talking about groups. And you might see something that's called a rod that looks like this. And your rod is worth a 10. And then we have some other things that are called cubes, and your cubes are worth ones. So when I look at this number right here, I have 110 and I have 3 ones. So that would give me the number 13, because 13 has 110 and 3 ones. So let's go ahead and look at some other ones. So let's look at the number 18. 18 has 2 digits, so that means that it has 2 place values. Tens, ones. So the number 18 has one group of 10, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So 18 has 110 and it has 8 ones. But what if I do it the other way? What if I give you a place value, a very straight place value, and I say, I have 1 rod and 3 ones. And I ask you, well, what number does that make? So you have to think to yourself, all right, 1 rod, here's you thinking over here. 1 rod is equal to 10, and my ones are equal to 1 each. So I have 110 plus 1, 2, 3 ones. So that means 10 and then 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, so 110 and 3 ones gives me the number 13. Alright, getting the hang of it? Alright, now what if I do it like this? Oh wait, that is so, oh my gosh, that's so ugly. Let me do that again. Boop, 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 boop. What is this? 10 frame. So we have a 10 frame. What if I do... What number would this be? 3. So, again, you're thinking to yourself, I remember this being called a 10 frame. And a 10 frame, when it's filled in, it makes 10. I see the 10 frame goes in, so I have 10. And then these make 1. So I have 10, and I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 together. Ooh, so 10 plus 5 more gives me 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, my answer is 15. Because 15 has 1 10 and it has 5 ones. So remember, T numbers, it's a place value of 2, and you have 10s and you have 1s. And any T number has only 1 10, and it can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 ones. So your T numbers goes from 11 to 19, because 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 all have 1 10 and some 1s. But what about the number 20? Well, here's 20. Does 20 have 1 10? No, 20 has 1, 2 10s, and it doesn't have any 1s. And T numbers are supposed to have 1 10 and some 1s. There's no 1 10, and there's not even any 1s here. So 20 is not a T number. All right, I hope you enjoyed our quick little review on T numbers. I'll see you for our next math video. Bye-bye.